Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is HPMV 6032. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 305 black and triple colors. I'm also going to show you how to load paper. We're going to load A4 and 4x6 photo paper, and also we're going to align the ink cartridges. To install the ink cartridges, lift up and open the ink access door. So once you switch the printer on, so lift up the ink access door. And once you lift it up, the ink holder will move and position itself. So the colored one goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So remove this plastic, then go in with this part, need to be inside it. Then close this down. So bring this, the holder down. This is black ink cartridge. Remove the plastic, then you go in. Put the ink access door backwards and front to close it. Then you wait. To load paper, open the paper casket, then adjust the paper guide all the way. Is A4. So this is A4 paper. Then go in. Then close the cover. This is how to load A4. If you want to load If you want to load 4x6 photo paper, bring the paper tray out or paper casket. Then with this printer, if you want to load 4x6, you need to make sure the printable area need to face down in this printer. So if you want to load 4x6 photo paper, make sure the printable area or glossy part need to face down. Put the paper on the center, then adjust the paper. So this is how to load 4x6. I'm going to load A4. Close the cover. So what is doing now? So now it's printing alignment. So after you load the ink cartridges, it will prompt the printer to print alignment. So we're going to complete the alignment. Then take the paper, lift up the glass scanner, and stick the paper. Make sure the paper starts from the top left, then close the cover. Then you select this button, press it once. So the button will be highlighted. You just need to press it once, though it's going to scan the paper. Then the next thing to do, you just need to discard this. And once you're done, it will show you for you to copy black and for you to copy color. So if you want to copy the document, it will show you 0, and for you to copy document black, and this button is for you to copy the document in color. So this is how to install the ink cartridges, load paper, and also align the cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.